Hello students, today we will discuss numericals based on Nernst equation. Yesterday I told you complete derivation and what is Nernst equation. Again I am telling students, if you have two cell and these two cells have different concentration of the electrolyte in which metal rod is dipped. For example, zinc is dipped in zinc sulfate and copper is dipped in copper sulfate here. But the concentration of zinc sulfate is not 1 molar. For example, C1 concentration is there, and the concentration of copper sulfate is different from zinc sulfate, that is C2 concentration. Then this cell is known as concentration cell. It is the type of electrochemical cell, but here they are both cells, that is cathode and anode, have different concentration. So how we will calculate its reduction potential? We will calculate its reduction potential using Nernst equation. Okay, and the current, or you can say EMF of the cell is not E naught cell, it will be E cell, because conditions are not standard. Here concentration is not 1 molar. Similarly, concentration of cathode is not 1 molar. So the EMF of the cell is not known as E naught cell, it will be E cell. E naught cell कब होता है? When we will take 1 molar concentration. Okay, and we know that we can calculate E naught cell using E naught cell. तो हम कैसे निकालते थे? E naught cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. But how we will calculate E cell? We will calculate E cell using Nernst equation. And what is that? E naught cell में से आप माइनस करते थे what? 0.0591 upon n is equal log concentration of cathode, concentration of anode and concentration of cathode. Okay, C1 upon C2. And what is n? N is the number of electron participating in the reaction. C1 is the concentration of left hand side cell of the and C2 is the concentration of right hand side, or you can say anode upon cathode, or you can say oxidation upon reduction, because at anode oxidation occurs and cathode reduction occurs. Okay, or you can say product upon reactant. So here I am writing, look here, anode upon cathode, oxidation upon reduction, even you can say product upon reactant also. Okay student, if only one cell is there, this is important student, only one cell is there. For example, zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution, but concentration of zinc sulfate solution is not 1 molar, that is it has C1 concentration. Then how we will calculate its reduction potential? So it is only one cell. Okay, only zinc metal rod is there, and this is dipped in zinc sulfate. Another metal rod, or you can say another half cell is not there, which will be connected with the through salt bridge. It is not there. So only how we will calculate the reduction potential of a half cell? Just using only this equation, equation number A. What is that student? Reduction potential, here it is E cell, it is equal to the reduction potential of that cell minus 0.0591 upon n log, here we will take 1 upon, here 1 upon concentration of that cell C1. Okay, and it will be the power. पावर कैसे होगी वो मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा, ठीक है ना. So on upside you will not take anything. Okay, only denominator, you will put the concentration of that cell in denominator. Okay, now come to the numerical. Calculate, student, question is that very important, so many time board had asked this question and this type of question. Calculate electrode potential of copper electrode which is dipped in 0.1 molar copper sulfate solution. Student, here only one electron is there. Okay, so what is the concentration? First of all you will write the equation. Without writing the equation you can't do the question. Okay, so first of all what will you do? You will write the equation. I am writing in the short. Okay, so reduction potential is asked, so you will write the equation in reduction form. Okay, reduction potential is asked na, so copper sulfate, how many unit charge copper positive has? 2 unit positive charge it has. So it will gain 2 electron and it will be converted into copper. Okay, so you will write Nernst equation. E cell, or you can say reduction potential of the cell, it will be equal to the standard reduction potential of the cell minus 0.0591 upon n log concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. Okay student, this is question mark. Okay, E cell is question mark. And what about E नॉट cell student? ये देखिए ध्यान से देखिए क्या लिखा हुआ 0.34 वोल्ट. अगेन this is what standard electrode potential of copper. Standard not mean क्या होता है standard. So it is given to you 0.34 volt minus 0.0591 upon, and what will be the value of n? Student, look here, how many electrons copper 2 positive is accepting? 2 electrons. So these are the number of electron. Okay, 2 log product. What is product? Copper. And if copper does not have any charge, then we will take its concentration 1. Okay, and copper 2 positive. Copper 2 positive mean what? Copper 2 positive mean copper sulfate, and its value is given to you here 0.1. ये 0.1 है. I am rubbing everything. Okay, just I am writing here 0.1. Okay, and how many copper 2 positive are there in the equation? Only 1. So it will be the power. Okay, again I am writing student, look carefully. E cell, ये देखो पहले तो मैं क्वेश्चन आपको वो दिखा देता हूँ, फॉर्मूला कहाँ है. This one. Okay, this one. Reduction potential is asked. So E cell or E reduction is equal to E naught cell. E naught cell. So student, what is the value of E naught? E naught cell standard is 0.34. So put the value. E reduction is asked. E naught cell is 0.34 volt minus 0.0591 as it is upon, what about n? I told you when you will write the equation, that is copper 2 positive will gain 2 electron and it will be converted into copper. So how many electron? 2 electron. Okay, log. Now check 1. Okay, 1 upon, or you can say copper. You can put copper, but we will take the concentration of neutral copper as 1 upon copper 2 positive. Okay, here copper 2 positive reactant, and its value is what? Its value is this one, 0.1, that is 10 raised to power minus 1. And how many atom of copper are there in the reaction? Only 1 atom. So it will be the power. Okay, and you will solve this question. Okay, very easy. You will write in the comment box what will be the answer. Next question. Student, this is again very important. I am arranging here. Okay, just check. A equation is given to you. Okay, equation is given. Now this is easy because no need to write the equation. And E naught cell is also given, but E naught cell is not given. E naught for magnesium and silver is given. Okay, so you need to calculate E cell. So what you will do? Using this equation, you need to calculate E naught cell. And how will you calculate E naught cell, student? E naught cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. E cathode minus E anode. So E cathode is what? Student, if you are not able to identify which metal will act as cathode and anode, just take that metal as cathode whose value is high. Mean here silver will act as cathode and magnesium will act as anode. Okay, because at any cost we will have positive value of E naught cell. E naught cell, which we will have positive value of E naught cell. And when it will come positive? When we will subtract the lower value from higher value. It's mean cathode will be that metal which has higher value of reduction potential. Okay, so here 0.80 minus 2.37 I am writing here. So it will be the value of E naught cell. Okay, 0.80 minus 2.37 will be the value of E naught cell. So put these value in the equation here. So how will you write? 0.80 minus 2.37, it is the value of E naught cell, minus 0.0591 upon, now student, what will be the value of N? So what I said, N is the number of electron participating in the reaction. So look here student, magnesium has neutral charge and here it has 2 unit positive charge. It's mean it is losing 2 electrons. Okay, it is losing how many electrons students? 2 electrons. So it will be the value of N. You can calculate the N with the help of silver also. One silver has 1 unit positive charge, so 2 silver will have 2 unit positive charge. Okay, but here on right hand side neutral silver is there. It's mean these 2 silver atom has gained 2 electrons, so it will be the value of N. So I am writing here, look here, N is the 2. Now log, look here student, anode upon cathode, or you can say oxidation upon reduction, or you can say product upon reactant. So student, in this equation, what is the value of product? So you will say silver is the product as well as magnesium is the product. But what I told you, those metal which has positive charge, it will be considered as product. So here we will take magnesium as the product, not silver, because its concentration will be 1, and we will take silver as the reactant. Okay, magnesium as the product and silver as the reactant. So what is the value of magnesium? Magnesium is, look here student, I have overwrite, so you are not, I think you are not able to read the value, 0.130. So 0.130 upon, what is the value of reactant? Look here, this is 10 raised to power minus 3, or 0.001. This is student 0.001. So that is I am writing 10 raised to power minus 3, 10 raised to power minus 3. But very very important student, one more thing, how many atom of silver there? How many atom? Look here, 2 atom of silver are there. So it will be the power. It will be the power. Okay. So I am removing all content. Then check again. Check again, student. Again I am writing what will be the product in this equation? It will be the product and it will be the reactant. Student, N will be 2. N will be 2. Why N will be 2? Because magnesium has neutral charge, here it has 2 unit positive charge, meaning it is losing the electron. Okay, so again I am writing, look here, E cell is question mark and E node cell is higher value, that is 0.80 minus 2.37, this one higher minus lower. Okay, this is E node cell, minus 0.0591 upon how many electrons are gained by this cell? 2 electrons, upon log. Product is what? Product is this one, 0.13 student. Okay, 0.13 I am writing here, upon magnesium, upon reactant is what? Silver, 10 raised to power minus 3, but 10 raised to power minus 3 power 2, ये जगह नहीं बची, यहाँ लिख देता हूँ मैं, log 0.130 upon reactant is what? 0.0001, बट पावर कितनी हो जाएगी? जितने सिल्वर के एटम हैं उतनी क्या हो जाएगी? पावर हो जाएगी. ये पावर लगाना ही नहीं भूलते हैं और नंबर 0 मिलते हैं. ठीक है, अगर बात समझ में आई हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिख के बताना. ओके, सो इट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन cell. You will find the answer of E naught cell. Okay, next student, next question is that what? Next question student, very very important, कई बार बोर्ड ने वाला क्वेश्चन पूछा है. So before solving this question, first of all you need to write the equation. So student, aluminium and Ni, two types of element are there. First is aluminium, second is Ni. So student, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल नो विच एलिमेंट विल अंडरगो इन ऑक्सीडेशन एंड विच विल अंडरगो इन रिडक्शन, ये हमें नहीं पता चल रहा रिएक्शन बनाते टाइम, ठीक है ना। अब हमें ये तो पता चल गया एल्यूमिनियम का मेटल है और Ni का है, लेकिन ये नहीं पता विच इज अंडरगोइंग इन ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन। तो देखो आप इसकी वैल्यू देखो, जिसकी वैल्यू हाई होगी वो रिडक्शन में जाएगा, क्योंकि ये रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू है। तो हाई वैल्यू कौन सी है? आई थिंक ये वाली जो वैल्यू है, जो लोअर वैल्यू है लेकिन माइनस में है, जब वो माइनस में लोअर वैल्यू होती है वो हाई होती है, यानी कि Ni जो है इस सेल में रिडक्शन में जाएगा। Ni किस में जाएगा? रिडक्शन में। तो मैं लिख लेता हूँ तो कि भाई Ni जो होगा वो रिडक्शन में जाएगा। रिडक्शन का मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा। तो देखो Ni पे कितना चार्ज दे रखा है? 2 यूनिट, यानी कि 2 यूनिट हो जाएगा आपका न्यूट्रल, ठीक है। एल्यूमिनियम जाएगा ऑक्सीडेशन में, तो ऑक्सीडेशन का मतलब है चार्ज बढ़ेगा, तो एल्यूमिनियम किस में चला गया? एल्यूमिनियम 3 पॉजिटिव में वो चला गया। 3 में कैसे पता चला मुझे? 3 में जाएगा, यहाँ दे रखा है। तो न्यूट्रल एटम 3 में और जितना चार्ज दे रखा है वो न्यूट्रल में, ये सेल आपका बन गया। अब सबसे बड़ी बात स्टूडेंट, you will equate the charge on both side, that is on product side and reactant side. Here 3 unit positive charge, here only 2 unit positive charge. So how we will equate? If I will multiply this by 3, then 6 positive charge on left hand side. Here if I will I will multiply aluminum by 2, again here 6 unit positive charge on right hand side. तो ये आपका बैलेंस हो गया, चार्ज बैलेंस हो गया। अब आप इक्वेशन लिख लो फटाफट। अच्छा अब देखो इसमें हम ये वाली Ni तो लेंगे नहीं ना, इसकी कंसेंट्रेशन ना एल्यूमिनियम की लेंगे, मैंने बताया जिस पे चार्ज है सिर्फ वही लेंगे। अब देख लो एल्यूमिनियम की कंसेंट्रेशन आपको दी हुई है, ये दे रखी, Ni की कंसेंट्रेशन आपको दे रखी है, तो फटाफट से इक्वेशन राइट करो। E cell is equal to E naught cell, and what will be the value of E naught cell? Higher value minus lower. Higher कितनी है? minus 0.25 minus, again I am writing, minus 0.25 minus का 1.66। क्लियर है स्टूडेंट? दिस इज E naught cell, हाइयर वैल्यू माइनस लोअर वैल्यू, minus 0.0591 अपॉन n। स्टूडेंट हाउ मैनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, वो आपने देखे हैं। देखो सिंपल सी बात है, अभी देखो एल्यूमिनियम के 2 एटम इधर है ना, तो 2 इधर भी तो लेने पड़ेंगे ना, वो बैलेंस करने होते हैं एटम भी। जैसे Ni 3 है तो इधर भी 3 लेने पड़ेंगे, वो तो सिंपल सी बात है। अब आप यहाँ पर देखिए स्टूडेंट, 1 Ni हैज़ द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, so 3 Ni will have how much deficiency? Again, if 1 Ni has 2 unit deficiency, then 3 Ni will have 6 unit deficiency. Is it clear or not? Total deficiency is 6. Here neutral है, इसका मतलब ये 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर गया। It will be the value of n। या आप ऐसे देखो कैसे, 2 aluminum are neutral, but here 2 aluminum has 6 unit deficiency. It's mean 2 aluminum ने मिलके 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर दिया। It will be the value of n. Okay. Now look, product upon reactant. Student, which element will be product? सिंपल सी बात है, ये प्रोडक्ट है और एल्यूमिनियम है, बट हेयर वी विल टेक ओनली एल्यूमिनियम, क्योंकि Ni पे तो कोई चार्ज है नहीं। सो व्हाट इज द कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम? ये दे रखे आपको 10⁻³ 10⁻³ बट स्टूडेंट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हाउ मैनी एटम्स और आयन 2? इट विल बी द पावर। यही मत लगाना भूल जाना। ओके, नाउ कम टू द रिएक्टेंट। रिएक्टेंट इज Ni एंड इट्स वैल्यू इज, Ni की वैल्यू काफ़ी ओवर राइट हो गई है, मुझे दिख नहीं रही है कितनी है। 1 more correction student. This one Li is 10⁻⁻, aluminum is 10⁻⁻3। दूसरा क्वेश्चन रीड कर देगा, 10⁻⁻3 पावर 2 अपॉन वैल्यू ऑफ Ni। वैल्यू ऑफ Ni इज 0.50। 0.50 okay, 0.50 and how many atoms of Ni are there? 3, so it will be the power 3। अब मुझे आपने इसका आंसर निकाल के बताना है कितना आया। ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट, Again here single electrode is there. Single electrode. Question number 7. Only single electrode is there. How? Zinc is dipped in zinc ion. सिंपल सी बात है. तो सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? E cell is equal to single electrode mean student only one metal ion will be there. Like in above question, unlike here two metal ion were there, aluminum and Ni. Only here zinc is there. So answer will be equation will be 0.0591 upon n log. For single electrode we will take 1 upon उस मेटल आयन की कंसेंट्रेशन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट इक्वेशन. जिंक आयन है तो 2 यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा, बस वो इसमें बदल रहे होंगे, बात खत्म हो गई. ठीक है ना. जिंक लूजेस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो ई नॉट सेल उसका रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल, ये ई नॉट सेल नहीं होता जनरली, इट रिडक्शन एंड इट्स रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल इज हियर -0.76 -0.76 वोल्ट minus 0.0591 upon n. How many electrons? 2 log 1 upon value of metal ion positive. Here it is given to you 10 raised to power minus 3. This is what? 10 raised to power minus 3. 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 So student, it will be the answer. It will be the answer, not answer, it is the solution. Okay, so you will solve the value of, okay, 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, next question student, very important question we are going to discuss here. Again one half cell is there. How half cell? Silver electrode is dipped in silver nitrate. Okay, only one. So its reduction potential is 0.80. Calculate electrode potential. So again we will calculate. First of all we will write the equation. Silver nitrate है ना, silver nitrate, this one silver nitrate means silver will have positive charge, only 1 unit positive, so it will gain only 1 electron. इस इक्वेशन में स्टूडेंट वैल्यू कितनी आई? n की 1 आई. So E cell is equal to E naught cell. E naught cell of silver is standard condition is 0.80. 0.80 minus 0.0591 upon n. N is what? 1. Okay, log. For single electrode we will take 1 upon silver ion concentration. Silver ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 1. 10 raised to power minus 1. And what will be the power? If one atom is there, so power will be 1. It is the solution. At what concentration? Student, again one more question. At what, इसी का दूसरा पार्ट है. At what concentration Ag ion will this electrode will have the potential 0 volt? Mean at what concentration? Now potential is 0 volt. It is the answer of 0 volt, 0.0 volt, and standard value is 0.80. 0. Mean again student, I am writing whole equation. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n log concentration of 1 upon concentration of reactant. Okay, so student, this should be 0 volt. Examiner is saying कितने concentration पे 0 होगा. स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू कभी 0 नहीं होगी इसकी, वो तो 0.80 रहेगी. माइनस 0.0591 मैंने अभी आपको बताया, इसमें n कितना होगा? 1. वो यही कह रहा है कि कितनी कंसंट्रेशन पर, सिल्वर की कंसंट्रेशन निकालो, कितनी कंसंट्रेशन पर ये सारा होगा. ओके, एट व्हाट कंसंट्रेशन it will have the 0 volt. Okay, so next and last question, this is given to you student, this value is given to you. Okay, so first of all write Nernst equation. अगर Nernst equation आपको समझ में आ गई तो सारा कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा. E cell is equal to E naught cell, I am talking about the question number 9, minus 0.0591 upon n log concentration of product. So student, water is there, so it is liquid, we will not take its concentration, only we will take the concentration of chromium Cr plus 3. Okay, and its value will be, power will be 2. upon reactant. Two ions are there, H positive ion and Cr2O7. We will take both ion. Okay, तो आपका कितना हो जाएगा ये Cr2O7 -2 पावर कितनी होगी, कुछ भी नहीं होगी क्योंकि 1 ही एटम दे रखा है, इनटू 1 another ion is there inside of reactant, it is H positive ion. But student, value of H positive ion will be 14. Okay, so E naught cell, it is given to you 1.3 volt, 1.33 volt minus 0.0591 upon N is also given. How many electron? 6 electron. How many electron, student? 6 log. Now what is the value of Cr chromium? This is 0.20, 0.20, power is 2 upon Cr2O7 student. Now you can't see downside, okay na? So whatever the value which is given, I will show right just removing this, and value of H positive ion will also, okay, you will put whatever the concentration of Cr2O7 and H positive ion. Okay, so you will solve this question. So I am showing the concentration. Look here, this one, value of H positive ion was 1 into 10 raised to power -3. Okay, and value of Cr2O7 mean K2Cr2O7, it was 0.10. Okay, I hope you will solve this question. Now just check question number 10, read carefully, and you will write the answer of this question. You will solve this question by yourself, question number 10 and 11. If you will feel any difficulty, then write in the comment box, I will solve this question. Okay, so I think it is sufficient for today, and tomorrow we will discuss next topic, that is equilibrium constant. How is it related with the E cell or E naught cell, and second we will start some other topic like conductance. Okay, so goodbye.